until that challenge was unsuccessful for Coach Jumbo. Going for the field was Ghana who checked that off the hand of Lopez. So Coach Jumbo loves that point. That's what you do on a line is where you just go for the no fear, no volleyball and your Lady Bulldogs taking that second set 25-15 against the UE Lady Red Warriors. UE showing us a different appearance. The second set just wasn't enough against the defending champions. The NU Lady Bulldogs gave a lot of freebies the UE Lady Red Warriors, but the Lady Red Warriors couldn't capitalize the freebies given to the Lady Bulldogs. A lot of attack points from Solomon Belen, and of course the middle blockers of NU in this game. Again, the ladies who have to step up from the side of UE yet to show up here in this game against NU. Set number 2 statistics right in front of you. Again, all the scoring departments, NU leading on the attack, the blocks, the services, opponent errors, 8 given to the Lady Red Warriors in the second set win, only 4 to the Lady NU Bulldogs, a 10-point deficit in that second set loss for the UE Lady Red Warriors, cruising here to their 9th W, just a set away, clinching another Final Four appearance in the UE. Scored a lot in that second set win against Fury, but she's showing us now she's not done yet.
Even serves. We go to Bangayan. She's been silent in this match. Bangayan will try again. That will be called 4 touches here. Yumi will challenge this. The challenge for a block touch.
This is successful. The point. Replay.
Just give good ball.
So, second point of NU. Have to see this challenge. Okay. How these block touches are really crucial in the UAAP. Maluwag na talaga this era of quality when it comes to the block touches.
It's going to be a question of was there a check or was there not a check? Of course, we have to also consider the fact that the high hands of NU make it really questionable if there will be a touch. It's like hitting against a wall. Meanwhile, on the other side of the court, UE trying to keep their campaign alive. I mean, if we look back at historical data in their last match, the first match of the season by these two squads, it ended in 3 straight sets. That was 25 to 23, 25 to 9, and 25 to 12. Having 3 players from NU in double digits. Meanwhile, the highest point production was just 7, both from Bangayan and from Cepada. Now let's look at the results of this challenge, whether there was a block touch or not. Waiting for the official decision, which goes as yes, so there is a block touch and it becomes a successful challenge. Hence, the point will be replayed as this happened in between a round. The serve will come from the side of National U. Arian Pangilinan will be serving for NU. The psychology student who is on her 2nd playing year. Nano's there for the second ball. Gigante with the cover. They go up to Belen, finding the corner with Micaela Belen as NU gets their 2nd point. Let's check in on the UE side of things with Alison.
Sinjananesh, all throughout the season, one of the things Coach Jumbo really asks for is for the middle blockers of the team to maximize their potential. And last Saturday, Ian Malaga and Luisa Nogales were able to do exactly this and contributed in blocking and scoring. Dia told me that they're stepping up is really because of the realization that they only have a few more games left in the season. And with that, we really realized that we need to do something para makatulong sa team, she told me. And so let's see if this sense of urgency from the middle blockers will also manifest in this 3rd set as Coach Jumbo once again called on the girls to up their net defense if they want to extend today's game in another set. Back to you, Sinjananesh.
Thank you so much, Alison. It's going to be a big challenge for your squad as you're going up against the Giants. And Alison gets that point. Look at that again. Gigante going for the back set. So the ball just swiping it off the hands of Sepak.
That's a kind of hit that Coach Jump was looking for from his teammates.
1-point game. Solomon with 6 points already in this ball game serves. On the other side, Cepeda getting that across. Alinsug was there. Cagante goes up to Belen. Lana was there. They go up to Bakayan. Checking that. Off down to the blockers. And that is a point for UES. Tie things over. Let's check in with Jerry Medina.
Practice makes permanent. These were the words that Coach Carlos felt at the end of the meeting earlier. I was able to speak with the ever-reliable Sheena Tarik about the new culture Coach Carl has been implementing at NU. And she told me this new practice makes permanent mentality has not only affected the girls playing as a team, but also individually. Sheena added that errors have been the biggest enemy this season, therefore the only key to initiative and endless repetition and practice that NU can prepare for their last few matches. Now let's off to the national youth. Back to you, Ish and Sinjin.
That is the culture that Coach Limakulakan is bringing in NU. And if I'm not mistaken, that's something that you would hear from the seasoned coaches, the veteran coaches of USD long ago. And that's probably what he also got from his coach. I remember Jerry having a report about that, that the coach of Coach Carr actually visited the training of NU to give them some words of inspiration. I would also hear that a lot from Coach Wungfu actually. So it's that culture that we're going to try to see here. They've already permanently etched their names in history books, bringing a championship in a perfect season last season as we see the service base coming from Bella Belen. It's tough to read the floaters of Bella. Going for another float. Better reception. Bakayan though, hitting it through the blockers. Similar energy that we saw in that match against Adamson.
Better performance here for Bakayan after the 6th point of the match. Leading score for the AG Red Warriors. But our Spiders only have 2 apiece with Lana, Pelaga, and Nogales.
Oh, solid fight there coming from Solomon. Cagante will now set up the left wing. Cagalinso.
Nobody there. Cover that drop shot from Alinsug with smart set.